What's up, everyone? Spiro with Destination Adventure here. Ordered myself a new metal detector, a MINELAB 800, the Expedition Bundle from SeriousDetecting.com. I'm going to do the unboxing. Have not opened it yet. We're going to see all the goodies inside, and there'll be videos obviously following up of seeing how it actually works. Got this one compared to the next one up due to complaints about how long it lasts. There's only 1 year warranty. This one I believe has a 3-year warranty. So let's check it out. It's got the Equinox 800 multi-IQ detector in here. Metal detector finds bag with belt. Serious detecting all-purpose padded carrier bag. Camo cap for metal detecting. Quest digging tool and sod cutter. And the MINELAB Pro Finder 35 waterproof metal detector. And the Little Digger 29-inch heavy-duty double serrated shovel. So it comes with all sorts of little goodies in there right off the bat. Got a nice bag here. This one's from Serious Detecting Direct. We'll open that up in a minute. Let's see what else we got. A little windy out here. We're at our property in North Florida. You might hear some turkeys and guineas and everything else running around out here. Another little bag from Serious Detecting. Nice shovel here, seems like pretty good quality. Pretty stout, heavy duty. It's really not a bad price either for everything on here. There's several sites that sell them. This one had a pretty good deal, and it was a pretty quick turnaround on getting it while we were down here. I wish I would have got it a little sooner. Would have been able to go to the beach and use it. However, did not know you needed to have a signature for UPS to drop it off, but we got it all figured out. Met the driver on Wednesday, the day after it was supposed to arrive, and picked it up before we headed up here, because Sunday we're heading back to Georgia. This is an underwater pinpoint finder. MINELAB Pro 35, waterproof. It's a big deal. We do a lot of swimming in the springs and down the rivers. People lose all sorts of stuff. This one here should be the little shovel. I like that they all come with, that's pretty sharp, I like it. They all come with nice little carrying bags too, so that's a nice little plus for the belt. Depending on your application, they have all sorts of different bundles that you can get, all sorts of metal detectors. I did a lot of research before coming to the conclusion of this one. And for what I'm doing right now, it seems to be the best fit. Not in Alaska mining gold, so. And then here we have the Equinox 800. Opening up the box. You want to come out?
No, come outside. What is it? You're opening the box with no mommy?
Yeah, and you're on the video. Yeah, mommy doesn't know what's in the box. She's been bugging me for 2 days now.
How am I on the video?
I think the video's right there recording.
Where?
Right there.
Oh. What does it look like?
Got a pretty nice sized screen too. There's a 600 model and 800 model. I went with the bigger one because I'm going to put it to the test and really use it on a regular basis. I do need to get a good pair of waterproof headset, but seem pretty nice, the ones they come with. Comes with a nice carrying case as well. On pocket for the headphone jack. Looking forward to using these. I wish we would have got to go to the beach and do it, but things don't always work out. Alright, so finally got it together. Took about 5 minutes. I just find the English one. There's one in Russian. Got everything good. It's quite light. Not bad. You can shorten the staff if you want to. So I guess if you're in a river or swimming or whatever, scuba diving, you can shorten it out and turn it on and play with it a little bit in the yard and see what it does. So that's on the MINELAB Detector. We got the headphones. Again, the Expedition Bundle. Got the knife, digger. Comes with a nice pouch. Big thing was the underwater and land, but it's waterproof. Profine 35 pinpoint finder. So if you're over an object and you want to know exactly where it is, that's where this comes in handy. Again, another case for it. Got the big bag, break down the metal detector, put it in. Got the little bag, be able to, anything you find, stick it in there. And then the shovel. And again, this is the Expedition. Well, that's all of it in a nutshell. Sorry for the interruptions with the neighbor and my kids and all that, but I'm gonna go give this a try and see if we find anything in the yard, and then maybe hit up some springs tomorrow. No beaches nearby, but we'll see what we come up with. Stay tuned for future videos. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you catch all the action, and at the end of this week, beginning next week, I'll be putting the video out for the trip to Tarpon and the gift card. So there'll be another giveaway. Be sure to check it out, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Appreciate you guys.